Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to install JDK and write our first Java program. I am very excited, looking forward to show you how we can do it together. Let's get started. I quickly put together an one-page agenda. Let's go through it. What are the steps that we are going to do to achieve to write up our first Java program? Let's first download JDK 21 for Windows, install JDK 21, write our first Java program. We call it helloworld.java and compile it using javac and execute it or run it using Java. Let's go and search for JDK 21, download, and click on the first link, which is having a reference to Oracle. So Oracle owns JDK, but they've open sourced it. Hey, look at this. There is a JDK 22. Still, the looks like the updates are being made to JDK 22 or Java 22. Let's focus on JDK 21. That's what our plan is to install it. It is available in three operating systems: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. We are trying to install and run it in Windows. So let's download the Windows related binaries. It's it's downloaded. It's pretty fast. It's downloaded. Let's click on this, double click on this, and install it. Okay, let's see how much time it takes. Wow, it's pretty fast. Okay, looks like it's got installed. Let's go and check. I typed cmd command prompt, open it. Let's check whether our installation is successful. We install JDK 21, right? So the way we verify is in the command prompt, we type java hyphen version 1. Boom, looks like we are good. We are able to successfully download, install, and verify whether the Java is installed successfully or not. And also the Java version is 21, that is JDK 21. So we are good. Now the next step is write a program, right? Our first program. So as planned, we are planning to write it in trainings, C colon trainings space Java. Let us see, are there any files? Yes, there are. Let us delete all these because I was trying to these programs and test it. Let's see. Let's start with the clean slate. Are there any programs? No. Now let us write our first notepad. Hello world.java. Okay. Looks like there is nothing in this file. This is a new file. Let's write our first hello world Java program. Class hello world, open brace, close brace, just to make sure we are following the best practices of writing the code. Public static void main string an argument and open close. And here is the line that actually prints what we put it here. Let's say hello world. This is our first Java JDK 21 program. Okay, let's save this one. File, save. Now again search for the directory. Dir will give you what is there in the directory. So looks like the file that what we created is available here. Now we want to compile as per our plan of this video. Do you guys remember how we compile? Using javac space hello world.java. So this compiled without any error. As you can see, before compilation we had only one file, hello world java. Now let us see how many files are there. Looks like this javac hello world.java created hello world.class. Now We completed the compilation. Let's move on to the execution or running the Java program. Do you remember how we do that? Using Java. If you guessed it correctly, that's good. You're following. And let's run this Java program. Wow. We are able to successfully run the program, whatever we inputted, and this appeared on our console. So this hello world, let us go back to this program and quickly review. Class in Java is given its object-oriented programming language. Everything is a class, and all these principles are based on the object-oriented principles, right? So here, first we started with class hello world. This class name need to match with the file name, and here we wrote public static void main. Public is called access modifier. Static says that it's a class level method. Void means this method doesn't return any information. Main is the method name. And there is one argument to this method called array of strings. And inside that method, we wrote one line called system.out.println. Whatever we specified when we executed this program, it appeared here, right? So JVM took this compiled version of this and outputted this information onto this console. Let's add one more line and see what happens, right? Let's do system.out.println, same line, and we say that we ran our first program. Okay. Now, if I just do Java hello world, we are not seeing this new line. Can anyone of you guess why? Because we didn't compile it. So we have to compile after we update this program. Do you know how we compile? Using javac and the file name.java. Then we run it. Boom. Now you can see the new line is also showed up on the console. This is how we run the Java programs generally. Given this is our first program, we are we use the notepad and we are able to compile it using the command prompt and execute it using the command prompt. I think for this video we achieved our objective or goal. We downloaded JDK21, installed JDK21, wrote this hello world Java program, compiled it, executed it, and made some changes and again compiled and executed it. Congratulations, you are able to see, and together we are able to write our first Java program. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.